I just met with Nuning and Nigar, and we're gonna have iftar together. We have like 2 hours left for iftar, I think. We are heading to Zeyrek now. You see people are getting prepared. Hard bread, kind of stale bread, but it stays for a long time.
When they want to eat it, they put the water. Somebody.
So it stays like for a year. And dried eggplants, peppers, soak it. It becomes soft and then soak it. It is sun-dried.
The smell.
Yes,
Of this
even
wine.
from the smell you can understand.
Nutmeg,
Oh,
ginger.
okay. Mix of spice.
Yeah, mix
Okay.
of spice.
Where do you use it?
Really rendang. Rendang is like beef, but here mostly in country that using yogurt. You use
Yes.
yogurt in Southeast Asia, mostly using coconut milk.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah,
I
so
heard.
it's a kind of masala
Okay.
with a lot of onion, garlic.
We are in Zeyrek Mosque. It is from 11th century. This is from 16th century Ottoman architecture birdhouse. It's right here. So we visited the Zeyrek Mosque, and then we're gonna continue to the streets of Haydar and Fatih. Çok güzelsin sen. Ne haber?
Adene.
Şaşırdı.
What is the name?
Güzel görünüyor. I have the recipe.
Selamünaleyküm.
Yeah, I think
Vay
you.
abi. Selamünaleyküm. Hayırlı Ramazanlar. Kaç para kilosu? 50 liralık yapsam. Sen burada mısın? Ben parasını vereyim sen gideyim.
We have half an hour left. So do you feel Nuri?
It's very interesting because it's completely different. Even in Indonesia, it's also most of the population are Muslim,
Yes,
but the culture, the food is different.
yes.
The way they eat for iftar is also different because like maybe the food type that they have is different from ours in Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
Especially Ramadan
Yes.
in Islamic country.
And now we will taste the Turkish food. Let's see.
İki tabak şu neydi ismi? Mantar soda değil bu abi. Abi senin masa 16 oldu.
Yılmaz abi var ya, kavurmalar, güveçler yanına şu patatesler koyarsın üzerlerine. Sen işte
Bir
I love this earthen ball.
The pot?
Yeah. You also make this, right? You make this, I think.
Not this one.
With the
This
bean.
different.
Yeah.
Different, yeah. Okay, I'm still with my mask. And so we are waiting as everyone else. People are eating.
Afiyet olsun.
Evet, inşallah. So you drizzle the lemon, right?
Yes. She taught me yesterday.
Yeah, yeah.
Hemen yemeklerimizi getiriyorum. Yaşar abi.
Çok güzel, almost çok lezzetli. In Indonesia we call it enak.
Enak.
Enak.
Okay.
Enak and lezat. Lezat is the same like lezat.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Siz güveç dediniz, en son gelmişsiniz. Güveç ve pilav var zaten masanızda. Hünkar beğendiniz. Pardon. Hanımefendi için afiyet olsun efendim.
Teşekkürler.
You met also like in your recipe. Actually, this one.
Which one?
This one.
Yes. Yeah.
Trabzon çay, Rize çay.
Rize.
Rize çay.
I also drink this.
Rize çay. Ben de Rizeliyim. Ben Rizeliyim. Orijinal
Belli.
Rizeliyim efendim. Çay da orijinal, Rize de orijinal. Ben de orijinal.
Trabzon.
Trabzonlu musun? Sıkıntı yok, biz de Rizeliyiz. Bu ablalar
Sıkıntı
nereli?
yok.
Şöyle diyelim, Haynidere'nin balığıyız. Afiyet olsun.
Sağ ol.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Gelin. Look at this, it is finished. İyi akşamlar. So Muni, I hope you enjoyed the tour.
Alhamdulillah, I enjoy so much with the tour, with the food, with the hospitality of Iceland.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'm really happy to meet you.
Yeah, I'm happy.
It's not ending, we're gonna
Yeah,
meet
yeah.
inshallah Monday.
Okay.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah, go back home safely.
Tamam oldu inşallah tamam.
Just a quick announcement, I recently started the channel membership program that YouTube offers to creators. It's a great way to thank and support your favorite channel. You can check the details from the links. If you are using iOS, you might need to visit from computer to join the channel. Thanks to Shahid, Katie Van de Mortele, Anna and Maria Fahruddin for joining my channel.
Okay, I'm with Nuning.
Yeah.
And we are preparing iftar. We have about 2.5 hours left and we are out from the schedule actually. Hopefully we can finish it with Nuning. Now we're gonna shape İzmir köfte and then continue with some soup. We have to do, we're gonna make pilav, the dessert, salad. I don't know how we're gonna make it, but we'll see. We'll see.
I'm one of the big fan of Aisenur. I used to follow her since the pandemic because my planning to travel to Turkey is always postponed. So I know a bit about Turkish food, Turkish culture, and Alhamdulillah I can come here and see by myself.
Yeah, I'm happy to.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
So you can shape these, finish it, okay? I'm gonna wash
Yes,
and then go to what we do.
Vegetable saute, like Chinese.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in Indonesian. We have preparation is very long as well. And we also join it together. In Bangkok, we have many like this, and it's not so hard.
So you tried karnıyarık?
Yes, I tried karnıyarık, and
Okay,
most of my friends love it.
Oh, that's great.
This is exceptional eggplant. Yeah, it's with the ground beef. We fried also the eggplant.
We made the şekerpare with Nuning. And our İzmir köfte is baking in the oven. The syrup for şekerpare is here. We still have the soup to make and the rice, pilav and the salad. And hopefully we'll be okay. We still have 1.5 hours left, a little less. I need to, okay.
It will be upper. Alhamdulillah. Yesterday I went to Topkapi Palace.
The sun is setting. It is 7:30. We have like 5-10 minutes left, I think.
Yes.
Okay, and the meals are finished. I hope you will enjoy the dishes. We haven't tasted yet.
It's more. Sivan prepare more than usual. I feel really touched.
Yeah.
I will definitely recreate this recipe at home. I will introduce Turkish food to all my friends.
Okay, we just gonna taste all of the dishes we made together.
Yeah.
Okay.